How to use Mask Network. Mask Network is positioned to be the bridge between Web 2.0 and Web 3.0. The foundational technology of Mask Network is a peer-to-peer encrypted messaging application, with new functions continuously being created around this foundation. We're aiming to provide a safe and convenient portal for users to jump right into the content of decentralized finance and then the new world of Web 3.0. Click Get Mask to download the extension and go to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome and it will redirect you to the sign-in page. Now, let's get started. Type in your username and connect Mask with your Twitter account. Now, go back to your dashboard. You can see your persona here. Go to Wallet and choose Connect or Create Wallet. Get a name for your Mask wallet and click Create. Click Create again after you've properly backed up your mnemonic words. Finish the following steps and click Verify. Now, you've successfully created your Mask wallet. Remember to back up your wallet and your persona because once it's lost, there's nothing we can do to help you recover it. If users don't want to create a Mask wallet, they can also choose to connect with a pre-existing wallet. Click Change. We now support connecting with MetaMask and Wallet Connect. We also provide Ethereum, BSC, and Polygon for network options. Now, we are connecting with MetaMask on BSC. You can see all the assets you're holding. Now, return to your Twitter homepage. Click the Mask icon and you can see some of our features here, such as Red Packet, ITO, File Service, Poll, and sending encrypted tweets as the video shows. Only you and your friends with Mask can decrypt them. How to send a Red Packet on Twitter. Click the Mask icon on your Twitter homepage. Choose Red Packet. You can select the split mode to be either average or random. Select a token you're holding. Type in the number of people who can claim and the total amount you would like to share. Click Next. Be sure you have gas in your wallet and click Send. Sign the transaction. Red Packet is a special feature launched by Mask Network in early 2020. Once users have installed the Mask extension, they can claim and give out cryptocurrencies directly on Twitter. Type in whatever you would like to say and click Finish. Mask now supports sending Red Packets on Ethereum, BSC, and Polygon. Click Claim. Confirm your transaction. Remember that you need to be prepared for the gas fee in order to claim the Red Packet. Now, share the news with your friends. For more features such as Gitcoin donation, NFT display and bid, and swap, please visit our YouTube channel.